Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into PayPal for receiving freelance payments promoted on LinkedIn. Complete guide step by step clearly. To log into PayPal for receiving freelance payments promoted on LinkedIn, begin by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type www.paypal.com and press enter. Once the PayPal homepage loads, look for the login button located at the top right corner of the page. Click on the login button to be directed to the login page. On the login page, you will see two fields, one for your email or mobile number and another for your password. Enter the email address or mobile number associated with your PayPal account in the first field. In the second field, type in your password. Ensure that your credentials are entered correctly to avoid any login issues. If you have forgotten your password, you can click on the Having Trouble Logging In link for assistance. After entering your information, click on the Login button. If your credentials are correct, you will be redirected to your PayPal account dashboard. Once logged in, navigate to the Requests or Invoicing section to manage payments from your free. You can also find options to view your transaction history and payment settings. If prompted, complete any additional security checks for verification, such as two-factor authentication. To receive freelance payments, ensure that your email address is correctly linked to your PayPal account. Check your account settings to confirm that your payment preferences are set to your liking. You are now ready to receive payments from clients promoted on LinkedIn. Make sure to communicate your PayPal email or account link to clients for seamless transactions. Regularly check your PayPal notifications for any incoming payments or messages. Staying organized will ensure you don't miss any important transactions related to your freelance work. That concludes the login process for PayPal to receive freelance payments. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.